visited his aunt who lived in a nearby village. His aunt offered him a plateful of a new sweet dish. It was crescent-shaped, puffed up with a sweet filling. Chandru took one bite and loved it.
This is yummy. Auntie, can I have some more?
In no time, 2 more sweets disappeared into Chandru's tummy. Chandru wanted to know what the sweet dish was called. It's called Kadaboo, said his aunt. Chandru made a mental note.
I'll ask Ammu to make this sweet for me.
But he had already forgotten the sweet dish's name.
What is it called, Auntie? Say it again.
Kadaboo. She spelt it.
Ka-do-boo.
Ka-do-boo, repeated Chandru slowly. Chandru thanked his aunt and left on his bicycle. He didn't want to forget the name of the sweet dish he loved so much. All the way home, he went on muttering, Ka-do-boo, Ka-do-boo, Ka-do-boo. Chandru was so lost in thought that he did not notice a herd of buffaloes ahead of him.
Oh no!
He screamed as he applied the brake. He managed to avoid the buffaloes but fell off the bike. Luckily, he was not hurt. He got up quickly, picked up the bike and started cycling again. But to his utter shock, he had forgotten the name of the sweet dish.
What is it called?
Tabaka. No. Kavadu. No. It's got it. It's Buduku. So he rode home, muttering the word Buduku. Buduku. When Chandru neared home, his friends were playing cricket on the street. But Chandru did not join them. He ran straight home.
Ammu, Auntie gave me a new sweet. It was yummy. Will you make it for me?
Of course, Chandru. What's the sweet you liked so much?
It's Buduku,
said Chandru. His mother frowned. Buduku? There is no such dish.
There is. Auntie gave me Buduku.
No, you must have got the name wrong.
No, I got it right. Buduku,
shouted Chandru. At that moment, outside on the street, Chandru's friend swung his bat. The ball flew through the open window. Chandru ducked to avoid the ball. He lost his balance and fell on his face. Ammu was alarmed to see Chandru's face swollen.
Poor child, your face is swollen up like a Kadaboo,
she said as she hugged him. Chandru forgot his pain and smiled.
Kadaboo! Ammu, the sweet dish I ate is called Kadaboo.
Ammu made crispy, sweet kadaboos for Chandru.
Thank you, Ammu,
said Chandru as he hugged her. And that's the story of a sweet dish called Buduku.